Okay, so that was a cold ride in from Foresthill today. Left and it was 35 degrees, snow on the ground. I can't believe it's 3rd of November and we had snow on the ground, which is unheard of. Anyway, so why we took the bike out on such a cold day is because of an appointment to get some fog lights put on the bike. Anyone who knows Foresthill Road knows riding that at night is somewhat hazardous with deer, bear, wildlife, all that kind of stuff, because it's pitch black. So I did a lot of research on fog lights, and the best ones and the most highly recommended ones that came up was Clearwater Lights, which is right here. So we're going to get a couple of Ericas put on, and that's going to lighten up my whole world. Okay, so I've had the bike for about 2 hours now, probably about another hour to go, and I'm gonna see the results. Really excited to be able to see Foresthill Road at night. So Clearwater Lights got the job done, and they are bright. So I don't think it will show on video just how bright they are. But these things are crazy bright, and we're going to be able to ride down Foresthill Road at night now and see every deer and bear. It's going to be awesome. Thank you, Clearwater Lights, and yeah, go check them out. They're not the cheapest, but definitely the best. Okay, so I'm back home. So I was playing with the controls on these lights, and yeah, pissed off some drivers on the way home, because I guess I was putting them a little bright. So basically, let me show you on the controls. So right here, that is your adjuster. That's like really low, but it's still pretty bright, and that's maximum. So I was riding just around here. This is your on-off switch. Couple of really nice features are when you do hit the headlights, this gets overridden and it automatically goes to 100%. Also, when you hit the horn, the lights are going to flash. So just a couple of little extra features there, but yeah, I'm really excited to ride at night now. Like I say, Foresthill Road is pitch black, and having these lights is going to be a game changer for me. So anyway, Clearwater Lights, really fast install, took them like 2 hours, super easy to deal with, and I'd highly recommend them. So any questions, shoot me a message, but otherwise please subscribe, like, and comment. Like I say, any questions, I'll get back to you. All right, thanks, have a great day.